Thank you for joining LedgeView Partners presentation on Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011, Creating Connection Reports. Today we're going to step through using the reporting wizard to create a referrals report, and why we would use the report wizard versus our views and query and advanced find features that we've used in the previous presentations is that the report wizard allows us to create some reporting information across multiple entities. So we can look based on the connection role across account, contact, and lead records, or any of the entity records we have established. That's one of the limitations that you have with the views and advanced find, is that data is across a single record type. So let's go into Microsoft CRM. I want to show you the report that I have set up called Referral Report Based on Connections. And I set this up using the report wizard. So I want to go through the edit process, which really is going to repeat all of the steps that I had set up originally when I created this report wizard. I'm going to actually start from this existing report, but it's going to show me all of the settings that I had originally set up when I created the report using the report wizard. And the steps are the same whether you're editing it or whether you are stepping through and creating a new report. You give it your name, description, and the most important type here, or the most important information, is establishing what record type is going to be your primary record type. And because I want to look at referrals across multiple record types, I need to look at my connections data table. That is what is holding my referral connection value, and I need to know where are all of those relationships across multiple entities. So by starting with our connections table, we can now provide additional values and information around the setup and what is the selection criteria that's going to be used. I could use an already saved system view or my own individual view if I had one set up, or I can create a new one. And in this case, I want to, out of that connections table, look at any records where the role from is equal to referral. Any records in there that have a referral connection already set up and established is what's going to be included in my selection criteria. And after that, I indicate what are the columns from this connection table that I want to include on my report. And I want my role to and connected to along with my connected from and my role from. That's going to show me not only who the referral is, but who they were referred by. And the final step is basically, is this a table or a chart? Well, I don't have any financial data or number data associated with this, so this is going to strictly be a table that I'm going to have presented in this particular report. Now it's going to save, if I would have made any changes, it would save all of those. I can finish my report, and this time I want to actually run my report to see what the results are that I'm going to get. And in this report, I am going to see all of the referrals that I've received and who referred them. So my referred by value are the accounts and contacts that are noted here. So I see that Harrison Kronborg has provided 3 referrals. 3 of them are accounts and 1 is a lead. And so you can see all the different leads that, referrals that have come in, where did they originate as a lead, a contact, or an account. And so this is using the report wizard to show the connection values across multiple entities. This is one of the things you cannot do using the view and advanced find functionality within Microsoft CRM 2011. Thank you for joining LedgeView Partners today on our presentation on using connection reports.